gonna make oatmeal crackers. And I need to read the recipe. 3 cups of oats, 1 cup of unbleached all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup olive oil, and a pinch of salt, and 1 cup water. Okay, we're gonna get started. We're gonna put in our 3 cups of oats in this bowl. And then we're gonna put 1 cup of the flour in, the unbleached flour. Put that in. And then you can stir it around. So now we're gonna go to our little pitcher here. We're gonna add in 1/2 cup of the olive oil. Now, olive oil is healthier than the regular oil, and it comes from the oil of the olives. There. Now we're gonna add that in. Now that we're done with that, now we're gonna go and add in the water, 1 cup water. And you can use hot or warm or cold. I'm using cold because it doesn't look right. Okay, that's good. And I'm gonna add in a little bit of salt. Whoops. Look how much salt I got. I'm gonna have to pour some out. So I don't want to waste anything. I got to. And I'm gonna stir this up. And then add it to my mixture right there. And then you have to mix this up good. And then you need to get out your baking sheet. And you'll pour some olive oil in the pan. And you're gonna bake this till it's like till it's not mushy like this. Till it's like looks baked. I think about like 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Just till it looks kind of golden at the top. Okay, now I'm gonna throw this away. And then you put this on the pan, the cookie sheet. Oops, kind of spilled, but matter. My oven has a timer setter thing, so it will just bake till and then it'll beep. when it's done. And so you can just do whatever you want. Actually, put this, all the extra olive oil on top. We'll just mix it in with it. You can just do this. You actually do it. You don't have to, but you can. And you're just going to spread it around. The oatmeal stuff. It doesn't take you very long to make this. And it's really good. Get some more stuff on over here. See, it's a little bit thin. Now you get to put it down. Now it's done. And my oven's done too. Woo! Woo! That stinks.